So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook some scallops with a really nice almond satay. I'm going to finish that with a little ponzu dressing on the top. It's going to go really well as a really nice starter, or even as a large sort of main course, or even to share with friends as well. Give it a little mix. Perfect. We've got the acidity and the saltiness of the ponzu, but then we have the satay, which has got that crunch, it's got that bit of spice, that aromatic flavour going through with the shallots, the garlic, also with the chilli, and that bit of ginger, which really kicks off, which makes it a perfect sort of dish to go with a really robust, fantastic red wine, the Chateauneuf du Pape. You can hear the chiming of the church clock. That means it's time for wine, because it's 5 o'clock somewhere in the world, believe you me. Prep the scallops. So the flat side, I'm going to flip that, scratch down the flat side, should pop out back underneath. So you've got the roe there, the skirt, and the sort of the intestine, and the little foot there. So you want to pop that and swivel it all the way around, and you can just see how firm and how juicy the scallop's going to be. So the ingredients obviously are the best it can be to go with such a fantastic wine. Question is, why am I cooking scallops in the middle of January with a glass of wine? Because what we do is we don't cook them inside, we cook them outside, so we get that beautiful sort of smoky flavour going through the scallops, fresh straight out of the shell, straight onto the barbecue. You can't get any better than that. And look, we've even got the weather for it. Best part of the job, huh? So this dish really represents what I'm all about and what my city's about, Birmingham. We've got so many different cultures and flavours in there. We've got the ponzu from the Japanese, we've got the satay from Asia, but also we've got those beautiful British scallops, and all that's married together with some absolutely fantastic French wine.